In the heart of one of the most dangerous and volatile regions on Earth, the Black Sea, a storm is brewing. But this storm isn't just of nature's making. It's a storm of power, politics, and military might. And it has the world on edge. The Black Sea, a strategic waterway linking Eastern Europe and the Middle East. Over the last few years, it's become a key battleground, a place where Russia, Ukraine, and the West are engaged in a high-stakes game of power. But now, a new chapter has unfolded. In the heart of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh became the unlikely stage for high-stakes security talks. The United States, Russia, and Ukraine, once bitter enemies, now forced to confront each other face-to-face. What could have been a diplomatic breakthrough or a potential disaster? Behind closed doors, documents filled with military strategy, naval security plans, and grain export routes were spread across the table. But as the clock ticked down, the stakes only grew higher. This was not just about diplomacy, it was about survival. The tension between Russia and Ukraine couldn't be more apparent. For Ukraine, the meeting was an opportunity to strengthen international support, to secure their borders. For Russia, it was about defending their strategic interests in the Black Sea, no matter the cost. Russia's naval power in the Black Sea is a formidable force. With a fleet that dominates the waters, Russia has the ability to control shipping lanes, threaten NATO allies, and assert its dominance over a region it deems crucial for its survival. Meanwhile, Ukraine's vital grain exports, which feed millions across the globe, hang in the balance. The Black Sea's waters have become a perilous zone for shipping. As Russia threatens blockades, the world watches with bated breath. The U.S., the world's superpower, has not been a passive observer. With military aid flowing to Ukraine and intelligence shared to counter Russian advances, the U.S. has made it clear. The Black Sea is not a place for unchecked aggression. But will their intervention be enough to stop the war from spreading further? As the talks conclude, one question lingers. Will this diplomatic meeting lead to peace, or will it spark an even darker conflict in the Black Sea? The world is watching, waiting, and fearing what comes next. The calm before the storm, or perhaps the storm that's already begun. The Black Sea is now a battleground for more than just military forces. It's a battleground for survival, power, and the future of global security. Will peace prevail, or will the Black Sea become a new flashpoint for global conflict? Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on this evolving crisis. The world's future may depend on what happens next.